And the showers here back at home slowly on their way out, but there was a whole lot more where that came from, especially this evening and overnight. Most of your Monday is shaping up to stay dry, cloudy, and warm. A lot of that is slowly being brought into our area. A lot of moisture, so your dew points will stay in the 60s today as well. Here's what we're looking at a little closer to home on Exact Track. Some of the light spotty showers moving through Dixon, headed towards Oregon, Byron, Rockford, all up next, but not a whole lot coming in behind it. We could still squeeze out these type of stray showers a little bit later into the early afternoon, but most of us are trending to stay dry. By Future Track, as we head into the late morning, you'll notice a lot of that activity moves out. Afternoon gives us plenty of dry time. Again, a couple of those spotty showers can't be ruled out, but the bulk of that heavier rain really doesn't join us until later this evening. Then we transition to widespread heavier showers. A lot of this overnight as we're asleep. This is just near 12:30 into early tomorrow morning, and that heavier rain will continue. But notice by the time we get closer to about 6:45, the heavier widespread showers slide out, and we'll still be left behind with some of that rain early on. Could even see some scattered showers once we get closer to about lunch. Then everything is on its way out. So there will be some dry time for Election Day, but in terms of how much rain we're going to pick up taking you through tomorrow, well, some areas could end up with over 2 inches. We are in dire, desperate need for some of that much needed rain. But because we're going to see a lot of this activity at once overnight, we could end up seeing flash flooding. Again, some places may end up with over 2 inches of rain stretching from Sunday into tomorrow. Localized flooding possible. Again, we're seeing drought conditions. That ground is very dry, so it may not be able to soak up a lot of that rain as quickly as it normally would. On top of that, your temperatures are staying above average, both temperatures and dew points staying in the 60s. Overnight, we drop into the low 60s, and in fact, our record warm low sits at 59 degrees. So we'll have to see how that shapes up moving forward. Otherwise, get ready for quite the windy Tuesday. Gusts near 40 miles per hour as we head throughout the morning. They will slowly start to weaken as we head into the evening as the showers also move out. All of that thanks to an approaching cold front that will then also drop your temperatures. We fall into the 50s by Wednesday. Area high pressure moves in, keeps us nice and sunny all the way through about Friday. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, we see yet another chance for showers moving in Saturday. Could last through Sunday as your temperatures, well, they stay in the 60s even into next week. Dylan.